Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash video, and this is for Thursday, and we are now at the 19th of December 2019, 9:25 a.m. We're all listening as both the speaker in the Senate chambers go at it, the minority and majority leader, as they are discussing the merits of the trial. They are discussing talks about how things are going to proceed. It was almost like an opening statement from Mitch McConnell, and now Mr. Schumer is countering that. The good news is later during the day, I'm hoping to see that the USMCA deal is voted on, passed, and we move forward with that. After yesterday's impeachment, now we get to see how politics in the U.S. play out, because apparently Ms. Pelosi doesn't want to deliver the impeachment notice to the Senate until she understands the rules that the Senate is setting up for the trial. Okay, enough of that. Let's go to what's important. U.S. conference, U.S. leading coincident lagging economic indicator headlines. Came out at flat. The prior was down a tenth. We're looking at the lagging economic indicators up 0.5. The prior was up 1/10. These are all good numbers, coincidence indicators up. Now, in the November housing numbers, they're down 1.7. They expected down 0.4. But when we look at the new permits and what's going on, remember we hit a 12.5-year high. This is a bit lagging, and it is existing home sales, not new home sales. So I understand that. We're also at that funny time of the year. How many people are out there, you think, buying a home in December? Not saying it's not going on, or November with the bad weather. It falls a little bit. So that's what we're dealing with here. The average price of a home, $271,300. That's up 5.4% from a month ago year. Number of homes unsold, about 3.7 months. That's down a little bit. The Philly Fed Business Index slipped back if you take a look. Yeah, the prices paid went up, but all the other numbers are basically a little bit lower, except the inventories, which jumped. So that, I don't know what that means. Are they forward thinking? They're building inventories? Jobless data this time of the year, okay, I'll let you go either way you want. It should have no impact on the market. What I do think was interesting is our current trade surplus, or deficit in the case of the U.S., slipped a little bit, about $4 billion. The president will say it's due to tariffs. Bank of England kept their key interest rate unchanged. Members want to see how this new part of the election goes and where they're at with the pro-Brexit now move. And energy analysts in a few minutes expect to see the natural gas storage at 90 billion cubic feet come down. That is much less than the 132 we've seen before, and that's because while we have cold weather, and we've seen that on the East Coast, a large part of the U.S. isn't sitting with that. So that's where you're at this point in it. Want to come to this part. I hit the wrong key there, sorry. One of the things that we do here at the Linn Group is we provide years of market research to you in a way that's easy to understand, covering the futures, the options markets, what we think the regular speculator is doing, as well as what the commercials are doing. Now, there's two ways to get it. You can get it by email from us, or you can get it through many of our different charting software programs, including our mobile applications. These are the markets that we cover. You need not get all of them. You can pick the areas that you want. We'll be happy to put it out to you. And no, this is not an indefinite. You get a free trial so that you see what our clients get, and then we invite you to become a client of ours. How do you get this? It's really simple. You can either call us the old-fashioned way, and here's our phone number right up on the screen, or you can go to our website. If you go to www.iraepstein.com, on the bottom right, you'll see free trials. Click on it, fill out what you'd want. There's more than just the research there. Take advantage of it. You can also click up here if you're watching me on YouTube. It'll take you right to that page. Now, I am next week not going to be here. In fact, tomorrow morning, I know I'm not going to be able to do this particular update, but I'll be finishing my end of the week updates. Then I'm leaving and taking my family for the holiday. I will be back the following weekend, so I'll be there right from the 30th on. So taking off a few days, and as you know, it's Christmas week, so I'm really missing like 2 days of work. So it's not that much. In any case, I want to wish you all happy holidays. That's very important. And of course, I will see you at the end of the day today, and I'll see you tomorrow again for the end of the week wrap up on the weekly charts. Good holidays to you and good trading.